Hello everybody! Rosel here and welcome to Celebrations. So today, meron akong kasama dito. Again, my baby Lovey. So what are we going to do now?
We're going to unbox something.
Okay, this is a surprise. We're going to unbox.
But be careful,
this
it's fragile.
Package.
It's fragile.
Alright.
Handle with care. At this point, this isn't even
Handle
looking...
with care. Okay, let's start now. Let's start. Kasi we're late for the ano na.
At this point, this doesn't really look like a broken glass or wine glass. It kind of looks like a...
So what do you think it is?
A book?
Fragile book.
Yeah.
Yes.
Glass.
Okay.
Broken glass. I mean, is it wine glasses? Or is this a new flavor? Is this something for kitchen?
We'll see.
Is this something for kitchen related? Ate, can you please remove the volume for that? Bug me. I don't understand what's the point of bubble wrap. Like, yes, it's
Kasi
satisfying.
it's fragile nga. So it protects the package.
So you're telling me bubble wrap can also protect your phone case?
Maybe.
Yes.
So if it's fragile, then the bubble wrap will protect the items inside.
So this
If it's breakable,
am I
then
right? Was it a cup? Thought it was a wine glass. No.
Okay. Alright.
What is this?
So, can you guess what it is?
It's a cup.
1,
A candle?
2,
What
3,
is this?
4,
Why did you buy so much?
5, 6,
What is this? Ow.
7,
Mommy, how much is this?
8,
Why is this? Is it?
9.
It looks so small, but the packaging is so gigantic.
Okay, so we'll see.
Is that necessary for this much plastic and bubble wrap?
Maybe it's a
Okay, we'll open this first.
Can I
This
open
one
one
first. Okay, wait lang. Isa-isahin natin yan.
Can I open that one next?
Wait lang anak, wait lang.
Okay. Can I open the small one next? I feel like it's a candle or a cup.
So, I'm going to give you a clue. It's Christmas related.
Oh, it's for Advent.
It's for Advent. So what do you think it is?
It's an small figurine.
So
And
ta-da!
what is this?
First, who is that? Who is that?
It's
It's
one of
a
the
wise man.
wise men. Wise
Okay.
man one.
This is one of the wise men. So yan muna.
Wise man one.
Okay. Next.
Oh, so this is baby Jesus.
We'll see.
I'm guessing. It's the smallest package.
So you know na.
Is this a wise man too?
This is the nativity figurine.
Don't you already have one over there?
No, it's not the one.
Wise
I'm
man
looking for.
2.
Okay, so this is the wise man
2.
number 2.
Wise man 1 and wise man 2. What's next?
Oops.
Okay, I think this is. Oh no.
Okay, this one. This is very small. So
This is
what do you
baby
think it is?
Jesus.
Is it baby Jesus
I'm betting
or
5 pesos
it
a baby
might-
Jesus.
it might be a goat or a sheep?
I bet 5 pesos it's baby Jesus.
What if it's a sheep?
What if it's baby Jesus?
We'll see.
I'm betting 5 pesos it's baby.
Ah!
Yes! Give me my 5 pesos, mommy. Oh, and there's a sheep included.
And there's also a sheep. So
We're both right.
we're both right.
Can
So
I
this
see
is so
baby
cute. Wait.
Can I see baby Jesus?
Okay, so this baby Jesus.
Can I see the lamb?
Yeah, can you see? Can you see?
Lamb.
Baby Jesus. And
We got a lamb too. Why did I make a goat sound? Wait, is this a donkey? I can't tell. Okay, I'm gonna remove the plastic on this one now.
Wait lang, masyado kang excited.
He already
So, what about this one?
This is Wise Man 3.
Okay,
Oh, it's
another
Mary.
wise man.
Oh, I was confused if that was Mary or not.
Alright.
You
You put the...
Where's the manger? We're missing the manger.
Wait na, anak.
I'm just asking.
So, it should be 11 pieces. So, how many is that na?
5. This is Mary.
Next is Mary. So, that's Mary.
Can I open one? Can I open one? Can I open one? Mommy?
Be careful, I'll just cut it.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Wait lang.
Let's see who this one is now. Who did I get? We've got
Who's that?
a shepherd.
A shepherd.
We've got a shepherd with a horn. I'm guessing one of
Okay,
these
you
are-
show it to the camera.
This is a shepherd with a horn.
Shepherd. Next is...
An
Next
angel!
is an angel.
We also got
There.
Show me.
Okay, so
Can I see the angel?
next
Oh, that's
is...
pretty.
Can you guess
Is it?
who this is? Maybe it's Joseph.
I'm guessing it's Joseph.
It's Joseph.
It's Joseph. Well, where's the manger? I'm confused.
Is
Yeah.
it Joseph? I think it's Joseph.
No, Joseph has a cane. So this is another shepherd.
We'll see. I think it's Joseph.
I'm betting this
Okay,
one.
we'll see.
Okay, so this part I can cut this by myself. This one.
Ako na mag-cut, anak.
I know what to cut.
Mm.
Okay. This one is the what? Oh, so that is Joseph. Animals.
So
wow.
this is Joseph, and we have two
Animals.
animals. So Joseph, we have Joseph.
But where's the manger?
Okay, Joseph,
We don't have the
Mary, Jesus, a lamb.
More animals.
Okay.
Oh, where's the manger? I'm
animals,
confused.
And then this is the three
Wow.
magi, a shepherd, an angel,
A random.
and then
Where's the manger? I'm
this.
confused.
So how many?
We have
Complete na yung order natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So tama. So
Okay.
11.
Let me recount. I think you double counted.
Okay.
Wait up, let me recount. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry, baby Jesus. Anyways, where's the manger?
So you will just create our own manger.
With cardboard boxes? The cardboard
We'll
box.
see.
Can we just make
Okay.
it with the cardboard box we have?
Nice, no?
But before we end this video,
What do you want?
I want to show them this one, the mini version that we have.
Okay. So this is the mini version.
Versus the
It's a
giant.
built-in,
Built-in manger versus gigantic manger. Oh my gosh, wait, the sheep has a friend now.
So that's it